I am extremely happy that GCTC, Global Counter Terrorism Council, has completed 4 years of its existence and now on the 26th of August. And it's been really a glorious 4 years. Since the inception, Global Counterterrorism Council has been working assiduously to train young people as well as to make older people and those who are working in the field of national security and other security issues about the challenges which a civil society or a country faces from people who are either terrorists or insurgents or of different kind of terrorism which are involved in the entire global circuit. India is a victim of major terrorist incidents, and mostly because of our neighbor who is devious and who's surreptitious and who's trying to put India into difficult times, because that's its national objective, and that is Pakistan and Pakistan army especially. And all over the time we have seen that Pakistan army forces its government or by itself maneuvers in different manners to play the low intensity warfare which it itself has devised. And India has been a victim of that. Pakistan thinks that it can do India harm continuously, but it doesn't know that Pakistan will never be able to put India into a back foot. So, Global Counter-Terrorism Council has been active in making people in the policy making areas or in different positions in the decision making organizations, including government, including the armed forces, and including the media, aware of what counter-terrorism means and what are our challenges. Now, global world is also very interesting because the major challenges which other parts of the world also face are from different kind of terrorism, which has been accosting national governments and especially the ones which are democratic in their structure. And therefore, it is important that all countries which follow the rule of law, which follow democratic norms, which follow the decency of civil society, which follow the norms of a society which is taking steps for its citizens to prosper. The challenges are manifold, and GCTC has been able to find different kind of challenges and organizing different types of conferences which makes those challenges and their outcomes or their purposes, and how do the governments or the civil society come across better. Also, global GCTC has been involving itself in training young students who have, some of them who have passed class 12, some of them who are in graduation level, and some of them who are in post-graduation level, in understanding the global terrorism and they are very actively helping GCTC to organize these conferences, and I dare say that they are learning at the same time, because I have interacted with many of them, and I find them extremely bright and knowledgeable, and getting more and more into understanding the challenges which India faces or could face, and therefore they are preparing themselves to counter those challenges as and when the time comes. I am also sanguine that the members of the GCTC will be taking many steps, not only to make the citizenry aware of what is happening, but also to make our young people and our future leaders aware and trained for taking onto themselves to counter the challenges which India faces. At this time, I also remember one of our founding members of GCTC, Major General R.K. Malhotra, who had worked very closely with me in both Ministry of Defence and NSCS, and he had been instrumental in organizing a very large number of issues, the discussion groups, both in the Defence Ministry as well as in the NSCS, and who unfortunately passed away in one of the GCTC conference which was being held. And this has been my eternal regret, that General Malhotra could not be with us for a very long time. And he was absolutely one of the most erudite and capable officers who had worked both in the army as well as in the integrated service headquarters. And this is the day when I think we also remember him, because he was one of the founders of GCTC. I also praise the convener Aditya Tikku and Mr. Vijay Tikku in putting together GCTC, and all the people, and with an extremely cheerful face and countenance. And I wish all of them, I wish every scholar, interns of GCTC, and I wish everybody who's associated with GCTC all the very best. And I wish we are able to put down terrorism and its consequences for all times to come, and India would be marching ahead with going from glories to glory, along with all the young people of India and especially the interns of GCTC. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.